So, hi everyone. Today we have Hargun Kohli with us, and she is our existing EA student. So, Hargun, first of all, कैसे हो आप? How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
So, how are you doing? कैसा चल रहा है सब?
Everything's going good. I'm pursuing the part one right now with Sir in the live class and planning to appear for it in December 2024.
So, how's your preparation going on for a while, for a time being?
The preparation is going really good. It's smooth with all the notes that are very handy, and also I'm attending the live sessions, and plus I'm connected with you all the time for the very basic doubts via WhatsApp. So it's going good.
Great. So, Hargun, if I have to ask you about the lectures quality of AQPIS, because the lectures are in very native language. It's Sir use very soft spoken words, and he tries his best now to make the students understand things in a very polite manner, in a very easy manner. So, lectures quality के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहूँ?
So is very clear, and whatever there's a provision, like there are a lot of provisions in EA we go through. There are sections. So sir has been like really, I mean, on the point with the provisions, and he has explained it everything like with basic examples on the Excel as well, and also. आई थिंक वो बीच बीच में थोड़ा सा यूज करते हैं हिंदी टू मेक इट मोर easy, and he makes us relate to the Indian income tax also, which we are already familiar with. So it is very easy to understand on the class itself.
Exactly. So Hargul, like you attempt your MCQ questions also in the LMS, like when you hear the lectures, what is your strategy? Like you hear the lectures and you move towards the LMS and you perform your MCQ questions. Like how you plan your studies?
Okay, so my strategy is that whatever I go through the basic understanding, I go it in the live class, and the times I'm not able to attend the live class, I go through the recording, I mark onto the words which are very necessary, the provisions and the literal Hindi translation of the provision which sir explains in the class. So I really make the notes in Hindi and the basic lines, and also about the MCQs I start once I'm finished with the whole lecture.
Great, great, great. So how LMS and your performance, what you do on LMS, how it affects your studies. That means like how it helps the student to analyze his performance. What do you think?
So I think the LMS is a really good self evaluation rather than going on through this session in the class where there are like around 100 plus students in a live class as well. So all everybody has a different scenario with which they take out their doubts.
Hmm.
So rather than that, you are actually focusing on your own evaluation and from your own POV, and you're focusing on your doubts, which you get the answer of those questions in the self evaluation you do on the LMS and the MCQs. And sir has always told us that MCQs are important than the lecture itself.
So it's a
These
big thing.
are
The
the
teacher is himself saying like MCQs are more important. He's not
Yeah, the
giving
more you
emphasis.
practice, because in the
Yeah,
end you don't have to go and write a essay on the provisions you've
exactly,
learned.
exactly.
You
Yeah.
just have to have a hang of how much time you invest on each question, understanding the kind of language in the English,
Hmm.
like the literal meaning. So
Hmm.
yeah.
Got it. So, I just want to ask you, like, what about like when you want us to be there for you, and like you are connected with me on my WhatsApp, and sir is also connected with the students. So आपको मतलब टाइमली मेंटोरशिप जो हम कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करते हैं, क्या उसकी फैसिलिटी मिल रही है? लाइक आई एम कनेक्टेड टू यू, सर इज कनेक्टेड टू यू, जब आपने चाहा दैट यू वांट टू टॉक, like I was available, yes sir was available. So I still remember we had Zoom two times, if I'm not wrong. सो वो
Yeah.
आपको कैसे हेल्प करता है, क्योंकि एट द सेम टाइम स्टूडेंट इज इन समटाइम्स इन अ डिलेमा कि कभी कभार कुछ छूट जाता है पीछे एंड एक स्टडी गैप आ जाता है. बट व्हेन यू टॉक टू योर मेंटोर्स, लाइक डिड दैट हेल्प यू?
So I think we are virtually connected. We're not in the real time, and I meet Sir during the end of the week. Like after Sunday, I meet him on Friday, which is like almost after 4 days. So if 4 days also, I have not touched the book. Whenever we connect in the class, Sir has made it very, like I would say, he would give you a crux which makes you go back to the last Sunday and reconnect to what you studied. Also, with you being there now, it makes it very comfortable and handy to text you and to get all the response. And you don't have to wait long for, like, 10 hours or the 2 days that your doubts are going to get solved, and then you'll move further. Because I know I also had this kind of a mentality. I used to wait until my doubts used to get solved, and then I used to start studying later. कि अच्छा, let's just finish this page today. इसका clear होगा तभी आगे बढ़ पाऊंगी. So now
राइट.
that thing is not an obstacle anymore.
या.
And with you, it becomes really handy. Like I'll just text you, and you don't have to wait for that professional class to happen, and then you write it on the chat box. So it has helped a lot.
Got it. So also at this, you mentioned one thing. When we wait for the time when our doubts are solved and
Hmm.
we wait, वो हमारे अंदर ऐसे हो जाता है कि यार जब ये सॉल्व होगा then only will proceed आगे इसके.
We
तो
feel
उस
it's a chain, yeah, कि ये
क्या
होगा ना पहले, then we'll just start building the blocks further. So
exactly.
that has now eventually gone, and also talking to you, it just gives a, I would say 20% motivation ki yeah chalo okay, now somebody is motivated you, let's just work on it. Because when you go through all the provisions, you're working on it, sometimes you zone out, you feel like कि
Hmm.
मैं पढ़ तो सब कुछ रही हूँ, समझ क्या
Exactly.
रही हूँ, how much am
Exactly.
I able to retain, and how
Hmm.
much will I be able to apply when I really go out and work as a job and I'm filing the tax returns. कभी ना
Hmm.
कभी तो I would actually lose out on what I have already retained. So that
Right.
is something.
Yes, 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 yes. Because in the long term, we have to do the return preparation, and if we are understanding things theoretically very well, so it will eventually help in practical life. तो अभी का ये जो टाइम फ्रेम है, it's not about कि हमें we have to study the course and we have to pass it. It's
Hmm.
more about we have to make a career in it, and it's better कि अभी हम इसको जितने अच्छे से सीख लें, समझ लें. एंड हरगुन, अगर मैं आपके बारे में पूछूं, लाइक हाउ यू डिसाइडेड दैट यू विल गो फॉर AKPIS, इफ बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग जर्नी, इट्स एन इन्वेस्टमेंट, है ना. आप एक कोर्स परस्यू कर रहे हो, अभी आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, एक टाइम के लिए आप पढ़ाई करोगे, एंड उस टाइम में काफी सारे थॉट्स आते हैं. मोटिवेशन चाहिए होती है, टाइमली डिसिप्लिन चाहिए होता है, एक इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशन को परस्यू करना. सो जब आपने भी तो रिसर्च करा होगा, व्हेन यू वर स्टार्टिंग दैट आपको किसी इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ अगर अलाइन होना है, तो व्हाई यू वेंट फॉर AKPIS ओनली?
So I actually found this concept very unique, where so actually has this. I think this is a USP of AKPIS, that Sir has actually uploaded a lot of his, I would not even say experience, a lot of the material, study material on YouTube Shorts, and he has not been like like very strategic. Okay, I'm not going to put it out there, my concept is going to get leaked, और मैं क्यों फ्री में ऐसे YouTube पे डालूं and leak करूं अपना material. So that is something he has done really really to benefit the academic society of youngsters. So that was it. Also
Yes.
today when I have some doubt, like the other day I asked you about Roth IRA and traditional IRA and something. So concepts like these, you don't have to go back to the lecture, you just go on to the subscribe channel of AKPIS, you search it out there, and you get the short videos. And sir ने वहाँ पे इतने प्यार से explain किया होता है that you just understand it, and now like you've understood the concept, और वो जितनी बार word use होता है, you're very very good with it.
Right. So yeah, like you just mentioned, we have uploaded a lot of lectures on YouTube as well. सर ने काफी lectures upload किए. सर तो मैं टेक्निकल टीम से सीधा बोलते थे ये भी डाल दो, सब डाल दो, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. बिकॉज
सर
It's
ने अपना लिटरल कॉन्सेप्ट भी डाल रखा है वहां पे जो लोग नहीं करते until you
नहीं करते
enroll
या
in the course. Until
एग्जैक्टली
you
सो
enroll in the course, you're not provided so much guidance. Like interviews and feedback is one thing people post, but this is like a really good USP where sir has like uploaded all the concepts. कि सर
हम्म
बोलते हैं कि आपको ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो आप ये जाके ये लेक्चर पे देख लो, यूट्यूब पे आपको सब मिलेगा, वहां से आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा, तो आपको कभी मेरे लिए वेट नहीं करना, आपको कभी डाउट्स के लिए किसी को टेक्स्ट नहीं करना, आप यूट्यूब पे जाएं, वहां पे सब कुछ है.
Exactly. See, teaching is one thing, but I think Shammi sir is a constant motivator also. मुझे लगता है जब when I was also pursuing EA, he continuously motivates students while taking lectures only, and he tries his best to maintain a decorum in a class जिसमें वो हंसाते भी हैं बीच में कभी कुछ, है ना? तो it's a very good quality of a teacher, a mentor मुझे लगता है. और एक मोटिवेशन, कांस्टेंट मोटिवेशन भी हमें चाहिए रहता है एक एग्जाम को परस्यू करने. सो ओवरऑल इफ आई हैव टू आस्क यू, हाउ इज योर जर्नी गोइंग ऑन? आपको मजा आ रहा है पढ़ाई करने में? एंड व्हिच इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक? पार्ट वन जैसे अभी आप कर रहे हो, आपको उसमें
हम्म.
कौन सा टॉपिक लगा ये काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है? और मतलब जो आप रियल लाइफ के साथ रिलेट कर पाते हो कुछ टॉपिक्स में, क्योंकि मजा तो आता ही है पढ़ाई करने में. कभी कभी जब कॉन्सेप्ट बड़े अच्छे से समझ आता है तो
हम्म.
हम बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं. एंड
We're
मतलब
like,
मैं
when
तो
is the day going to come that we're going to actually file the return, और हम इतना इतना will be having our credit saved. So,
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली.
uh, with Sir, it is actually very, I would say it's a very safe environment because you just know that there is somebody who really believes in you. And
हम्म
that is why he is giving so much of his potential to you. He's
हम्म
explaining, मतलब सर कई बार सिर्फ 5 स्लाइड्स कवर करते हैं 1 घंटे में, बट वो लाइक ही मेक्स श्योर कि आपको वो 5 स्लाइड्स ऐसे समझ में आए कि आपको रात में नींद अच्छे से आ जाए. वो कहते हैं लाइक 11:15 11:30 है, आप लोगों
हम्म
को अगर ये समझ में आ गया तो मैं चैन से सो सकता हूँ, अदरवाइज नो. एंड इट्स अ वेरी होमली स्पेस. I think for somebody who just feels that they have a social awkwardness to communicate with their mentor sometimes, because youngsters have this, they're unable to communicate their doubts, having these inferiority complex.
हम्म
So sir has this very, sir is very normal, sir is never fancy with us, he is very practical. तो वो सीधा रिलेट करते हैं. There were like elections in US the other time, he was talking about this, he talks about the Indian income tax.
राइट राइट राइट.
The
यस.
topic I am really working on right now is itemized. So these
आइटमाइज.
charges, contributions and everything, I'm going through that.
ओके.
And I'm just, learning the other part of the society we've already seen in the newspapers. So how does it
हम्म
actually operate? Because all these things we have always seen, like we were kids, we used to talk about, okay, medical insurance, okay, how do you
यस
claim it,
यस.
healthcare, the
हम्म
medical expenses, then there's personal interest, how do you claim it, the property part, because EA also has some part of the real estate, which is also very
यस
amusing.
यस यस.
So the
So real
capital.
estate is a very, important segment in tax. There is a particular domain profile for real estate, and people are working in real estate tax. Or I think it's a very interesting profile to work on.
Yeah. So EMA, you go through all the aspects of your life,
Hmm.
but in a very, precise way. And you are actually you feel a lot more mature that, okay, I know about these things. I know about these aspects. Tomorrow, after
Hmm.
20 years, I'll buy my own house. God
Hmm.
knows. So
Hmm.
I'll be able to save up on all these.
Exactly. So yeah, you just mentioned like as kids we used to listen these terms और हमें तब समझ आता नहीं था क्या चल रहा है. अब we can relate
Mm-hmm. We
things.
used to be
So
like, our parents, why are they like wasting money? Kya, what is this insurance? And now when you
exactly.
know that these deductions can be claimed and they're so beneficial to your
Yeah.
tax regime, it actually helps you understand. And it actually also gives you a boost that how does the economy work? Like हमें
Hmm.
लगता है that
Hmm.
okay, we are just this price, this good, these goods are overpriced, but why
Hmm.
are they overpriced? Where is
Yes.
all the tax going into?
Exactly. ये on a bigger picture, if you understand the course, हमें काफी चीजों का
Mm-hmm.
पता चलता है. It's more
Understand
concerned with
that is
financial
the
planning
money
also.
circulation.
Yes, yes. So, thank you, Agu. Thank you so much for joining, for coming up. And if in last, if you have to say something about AKPIs, what will you say?
So I would just say that, no matter how tough the course gets, it always has a simple side to, and more than the course, you always need a mentor, a team that is there for you to help you with even the basic notes and
Yes.
all the basic things you face. And I would say that AKPIs has always been there, very polite, very patient, and the whole team along with sir has always been there.
Thank you so much, Raghu. See, this gives us a lot of motivation because we are working continuously. There are a lot of students, there are multiple students, but yeah, हर student को से बात हो, उससे जाके एक touch रहे. We are continuously working on that, and that's why the feedbacks like this gives us a lot of motivation. And we'll try our best कि हम consistently ये काम करते रहें. And at last, thank you so much coming. I wish you all the very, very best for your this journey. And I wish 2025 में आप ये crack करें and हम
Yes.
साथ में फिर returns file करें.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Argun. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.